Welcome back. Today we're explaining the AI competitor SPY, pricing and feature tracker. This template automates the monitoring of competitor pricing and product features. Once you define the target URLs, the AI agent navigates to the pages, executes a scroll to load all content, and performs a comprehensive data extraction. The execution log in the Run tab confirms each step was completed successfully. With the results verified, we can now proceed to the next phase of the automation. Each step in this n8n workflow is documented with sticky notes for easy reference. The process is initiated by a weekly schedule trigger, which retrieves the target URLs and historical data. A loop then passes each link to the BrowserAct node for raw data extraction. This data is processed by an AI agent that compares current and historical information before updating the database with its findings. After individual page analysis is complete, the data is aggregated into a single array and passed to a final AI agent. This agent generates a structured summary specifically for Slack integration. Simultaneously, the workflow creates a new spreadsheet tab using a time-stamped name, populates the headers, and writes the updated records. The process concludes with a Slack message to notify the team of the latest competitor changes. This is the final database structure. With the data stored in Google Sheets, you have full flexibility for retrieval and further analysis. That is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.